Hi, I'm Dan McCabe with Avalon Integration, here to talk about the all-new Zebra EC30, a new form factor at a new price point that we're very excited to introduce to our customer base. We think the EC30 is going to unlock all sorts of opportunities to drive productivity across our entire customer base. Let's take a look. We've certainly never seen a Zebra mobile computer come in a box this small before. And the other nice thing is, there's not a lot of complicated pieces and parts with this. It's a non-removable battery, so there's not even anything to install. And as you can see, this is standard Android lock screen with standard Android home screen. So the same Android you know and love in a new, smaller form factor. So this is the new EC30, the smallest and lightest member of the Zebra mobile computing portfolio. There are several different use cases envisioned for this device, and here at the office, no one can quite agree on which is going to be the most popular. Some people think that it's going to be most popular for this device to be on a lanyard around an associate's neck. The idea is that then they can easily use it for price checking or voice communication. Other people in the office think that a belt clip is going to be more popular. And my personal opinion is that this device is actually going to be much bigger in the wearable space in the warehouse. Please give us a call so we can help you figure out if the EC30 is right for you.